Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to install and level a monitor on your Vivo monitor mount. So to start, place the monitor face down onto a table. For mounts that use a separate VESA plate, place the plate on the back of the monitor, making sure the holes in the plate are aligned with the mounting holes in the monitor. And then secure the plate using the included screws or thumb screws. The next step is to install the monitor to the monitor mount. And before installing, you may notice that the plate on the end of the arm may be crooked out of the box. This is perfectly fine, and there's no problem with the stand. We build free rotation into our stands. Place the monitor onto the end of the arm, and then simply twist the monitor to straighten it out. The movement will be stiff, but it will straighten. To get the monitor perfectly level, you can use a level by placing it on top of the monitor and then rotating the monitor slowly until the level shows that it's perfect. And to finish, for mounts with a separate VESA plate, place the security cap nut or screw onto the top of the plate to secure it. It is now ready to use. If you have any questions about the process, please feel free to contact our customer support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.